Hello, Diamond C community and friends. Today I'm honored to introduce to you a young lady whom I have seen grow and develop throughout the years. Her name is Alexis Hawkins, and I'm so excited for you to hear and be inspired by her story today. Okay, well, I'm here with Alexis. Thank you, Alexis, for being here and taking some time out of your day to spend with us. So let's just jump into what your journey has been like at Diamond C. So how long have you been here?
I've been here about 2.5 years.
2.5 years. So do you remember the first day that we met and you were here for an interview? What's the first question you asked me?
Can a woman do this job?
Can a woman do this job? So tell me, how have you grown since that day when you asked me that question?
Well, I know for sure a woman can do this job. When I got here, I was all timid and I was shy. I didn't really talk to anybody. I went to work, went home, and then I started learning my job. I was doing pinstripes. Then I finally started to get to know people and talking a little more and making friends. And
So it's been a long growth path, not just professionally, but also like as a person, right? For personal growth. So what do you do today?
I'm a QC in the finish department.
Okay, so what have you learned in that role?
I've learned how to check dumps. I've learned how to inspect every trailer that we have. I've learned how to check it more efficiently.
Okay. And pay attention to all the details and everything. So before you came to Diamond C, you had experience, you had been in the military for some time, right? So tell me a little bit about how the military prepared you for this job.
They gave me discipline and the drive to want to learn and do more things, and they gave me attention to detail, which also helps with being a QC because you got to pay attention, make sure all the trailers are really good.
Extraordinary trailers, right? Okay, so in the time that you've been here, obviously you are familiar with our 28 fundamentals, right? So which fundamental would you say embodies you the most?
Keep the faith.
Keep the faith. Why keep the faith?
Because even if I'm having a bad day here or things are going on at home, I know that in the end it's going to work itself out. Just keep the faith, even though I can't control it.
Absolutely, absolutely. So the keep the faith is something that you would just share with anybody at any point, right? Either in a personal life or you're here at Diamond C. Well, tell everybody, what do you love most about Diamond C so far?
I love that Diamond C is very family oriented and there is plenty of opportunity to grow. Look at me. I started on the line doing pinstripes, not knowing anybody, and now I'm out here. You get to know more people out here also because people have to come in.
So what's next for you think?
I'm going to keep cross-training and learn more stuff, because every day you're learning. You learn something new every day, and hopefully one day I could become a leader.
Okay, so what would you say to everybody watching this today? What's advice that you would give them or some words of encouragement that you would tell them?
I mean, if I could do it, then anybody can do it. And there's plenty of opportunity to grow. We're an equal opportunity employer. So yes, women can do this job. It's not just a man's job as I thought when I first got hired.
Absolutely. Okay. So those of you watching, Alexis Hawkins, I have seen her grow and develop over the past 2 years. When she came in here, like she said, she was shy, she was timid, she didn't even know where she was going. It was actually supposed to be just a temporary job. However, she made a home here. She built a relationship with people. We are her family. She's a part of us, we're a part of her. We know the true value of loving strong and also working hard with that. So if you want to be a part of this team, I encourage you to apply online. I encourage you to look to come here to the office. Let's get to know you, get to know us. We have a lot to offer at Diamond C. Come take a chance with us, grow with us, stay with us. We'd love to see you soon. Thank you.